Today I am making potato soup and I am using a traditional Czech recipe. To make the soup very tasty, I'm going to fry the vegetables before boiling them. So here I'm just melting a little bit of lard. And the first thing to throw in is a diced onion. Next, you can add root vegetables. So my choice is carrots and celeriac. But you could use parsnip or turnips, it's up to you. And we will fry the vegetables gently until they are nice, soft, and the onions are slightly translucent. Then add a small amount of chopped mushrooms. If you can get wild forest mushrooms, they will be the best, but you can use any other type of mushrooms as well. And again, fry everything gently to soften the mushrooms. Now I'm going to add a spoonful of butter and I will dust all the vegetables with plain flour. The more flour you add, the thicker the soup will be. I've decided to use 3 slightly heaped tablespoons of flour. And again, I will fry everything gently, giving the flour the chance to cook lightly, and the butter will be melted as well. Now I am adding a teaspoon of caraway seeds and some salt and ground pepper. This is white pepper, but you could use black pepper as well. And now we need either water or some vegetable stock. And finally, we will add the diced potatoes. I will add 1 clove of garlic, putting the garlic through a garlic press. And 1 or 2 bay leaves. This will depend on the size of the leaf. I'm going to bring this to the boil and simmer the soup gently for at least 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, everything will be soft. I will remove the bay leaf and I will add a bit of dried marjoram. Now I have the marjoram in, I will cook it just for about 1 minute. You can also add a few drops of vinegar to enhance the flavor. This soup will make a very nice starter. As it is quite filling, it can be eaten on its own.